Resilience, a lesson from nature. Learning to accept things as they are through sadness, anger, and pain is perhaps one of the most challenging aspects of being emotional beings. Sometimes we are left alone with what we feel, grappling with our own thoughts and the weight of our emotions. Yet, in these moments of solitude, there is an opportunity to learn from the resilience inherent in nature. Nature is resilient because it must be, or perhaps it chooses resilience to keep growing, even after being cut down. Why would a tree stop sprouting new leaves, or a flower refuse to bloom again after adversity? The essence of life is persistence, a continuous striving toward growth and renewal. Observing this, I've come to view resilience through new eyes. Every living creature does its utmost to survive, not because it is free from struggle, but because it instinctively prioritizes life above all else. Unlike humans, animals and plants may not overthink their losses. They move forward without the burden of overanalyzing what they've lost or doubting their ability to continue. Survival for them is a daily effort, a sport in which hesitation or inaction could mean the difference between life and death. In contrast, we humans, from the comfort of what we already have, often linger in the process of mourning, reflecting, and analyzing. While this capacity to process and feel deeply is a strength, it can also tether us to the past. Taking time to grieve and process is essential. But resilience requires that we also recognize when it is time to let go. Making peace with what was, releasing the old, and embracing the present is the essence of healing. Resilience does not deny the pain or the loss. It acknowledged it, absorbs its lessons, and then moves forward. We are, after all, part of nature. Though our minds may complicate things, at our core we embody the same resilience we observe in the natural world. From our ancestors to the very cells in our bodies, resilience is an inherent potency within us. It is the silent force that has enabled humanity to endure countless adversities and still thrive. We are stronger than we realize. We can face challenges, adapt, and rise again. Resilience is not an abstract concept. It is tangible and natural quality within us all. By reconnecting with this truth, we can find the courage to accept, to grow, and to keep moving forward, no matter how hard the journey may seem. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your presence. If this message resonates with you, feel free to share what's on your mind. And I wish you an amazing day.